Good morning. It is Thursday, the 28th of August, 2025 at 9 o'clock in the morning here in Maiwut. It's day number 27 here in Maiwut. We are trying to remove and repair the vehicle, but now we are removing the stabilizing bar, which is rusted and stuck. And no fire, no hammer, no oil, no brake fluid, no WD-40 can move these bolts. So we're cutting them out by hacksaw. We have no angled grinder at this point because we have no power. Now we are cutting this manually. Cut out the Z-link, remove them, and see how we can fit new Zlinks and straighten up that stabilizing bar over there, which got yanked by the tractor and got pulled off. So yeah, the work is in progress to help the Chieftreker automobile move against all odds. Yeah, so it's a painful day number 27, but we shall survive. Yeah. Have a beautiful day and all the best. I'm being helped by a major commander here, which is very helpful. But yeah, we dig in. All the best. Oh, the day! Sun clear. It seems like it's not raining. The sun is trying to break through as always. And yeah, we're gonna go some way towards making this Chieftreker automobile move. Yeah, so yeah.